Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hackman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to carefully pick stocks by evaluating different stocks and different charts, and also evaluating their their recent history, according to which you shall have to place your orders. So let's get started. Now first of all, look at this chart. It's moving in an uptrend, as you can see here, moving in an uptrend. Now you can see here, if you want to invest in this type of stock, always do one thing: make sure that the stock is a hot cake. It moves up and down like the buyers and sellers are equally interested in that stock to invest in that stock. So now you can see here, in this type of stock, you can see that this is moving in an uptrend, and now it's trading in the uptrend, which is a previous resistance level over here, a sell barrier, which we may say. Now you can also see here from the relative strength index as well, it's also at the overbought area, and now this level you can see here, it's reaching to its overbought area. So 70 is its overbought area, and 44 is its oversold area. Now you can see here, I would suggest over here that never invest in a stock that has went in the upward direction, like in this case here. If you want to invest, I will show you one trick. Now if you want to invest over in this stock, don't invest in here. Suppose if this stock broke this trend line above and came back and hit this again, confirms it, and then started to show a candlestick in the upward direction or two candlesticks, then invest in this stock. Other than that, do not invest at this level, because we don't know whether the stock will reverse or it will continue. So so by applying this method, you will be more profitable from it, and it's a it's a method that has always worked, and in few cases it doesn't work. So this is the one method. Another thing is, if you want to short your position here, you can also short your position here, and also place your take profit here. No, sorry, your risk management over here somewhere. 2% risk management. Let's suppose now you short your position here, the stock start to come down, as it shows, as the moving average also shows. Now let's say if the stocks start to come down, it shows a bearish candlesticks and start to come down, you short your position here, and let's suppose it again reversed. If it moves in the downward direction, you're in it is in your favor. But if it move in the upward direction, you also have your risk management in place. I've placed it over here, you can place it over here. Now if by shorting my position, if the stock reached to this level, I'm going to sell I'm going to close my position, and with little loss, I'm going to close my position, so that I do not lose much of my account. This is the one thing. And if it moves in the downward direction over here, came down, so we are going to profit from it. This was the other method. Now let's take a look at this stock. This is also at its highest level. Now you can see here, I'm going to draw a line here. This is a resistance level. Now as you can see here, it broke at three different levels. It broke this trend line over here, and now we are waiting if it starts to come down and hit this again, and then shows a candlesticks at 1 or candlesticks 2 in the upward direction. So we are going to invest in the stock and move along the trend. Now investing at this level is not a great idea, because you might be risking your account, but you might be taking a lot of risk over here, because investing over here is like you are blindfolding yourself and going into the battle. Never do that. Always evaluate the stock and take your decision firmly. Take your decision Take the right decision of when to invest, and you will be more profitable from it. Now let's say if it's moving in the upward direction, so I won't tell you about the shorting your position here, because shorting our position it's already moved upward, so I'm not going to mention that over here by shorting our position. I will mention that if this stock, what stock is a millet tractors, if this stock uh, changes its course, then I will tell you how it, then I will, like, if it shows in the future it shows some down move in the downward direction, then I will show it to you how what to do in that case. So in this case, if you want to, if you want to analyze your stock or evaluate it, don't know how to invest in this stock, just go ahead and evaluate that stocks, how it will do in the future and what results will it give you. Do also use indicators as well, because they are of great use. Sometimes they work, if most of the times they work. And also use this resistance, support and resistance level. Now one thing I haven't mentioned here, I saw it right now, is that the RSI, it broke its previous levels of overbought areas. Now you can see those were 67 and now it is at 70. So it means that it will be moving in the upward direction, but we will have to wait for the confirmation. Now you can see these are also great areas of resistance level. As you can see, it remained in this level for a while and then came down and then again it went back up. So in this way it started to trade in the upward direction. You will also have to look for this type of analysis, this type of places of over resistance, support and resistance level to make your purchase. If you do not do this, you might be risking your account and you will be making much less of a profit. So these are some of the methods you can use. Although if you have learned a new strategy, go ahead and apply that. If it works for you, well and good, apply, remain with that strategy and you will be more profitable from it. Other than that, always back test your strategies, whatever you have learned, and stick to those strategies which gives you more results. Sometimes some strategies will give you results at some at one time but not in the other time. So also remain with those, with all of them, because all of the strategies are there for a reason. They are not there to uh, pull you down or do something or to give you wrong assumptions. Learn those strategies, uh, never forget them. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.